Hello friends, welcome to VDS Tech Labs. So in this video we'll discuss about the help function. How we can know the details about the documentation about the methods of a particular function of a particular module with the help of help function. So how we can know? So I'll show you in this video. So far we have discussed in the Python Absolute Beginners series. We have discussed all basic stuffs, how we can install and all these things, how we can work on the PyCharm and Visual Studio Code. And currently we are discussing strings in Python. So we have discussed in two videos about the strings basic portion, and we'll discuss more about the strings method in the coming video. So but we are now in position to know about the help function, how we can find the details about any modules, about any keyword, about any functions. So let's open the ideally and just let's suppose if we want to know details about the print function. So how we can know? Just write here help in bracket, write print, print, okay, and hit enter. So see, it will show some details. Help on built-in function print module built-ins, okay, that is the about help. And print, this will telling about the print. See, all these the details. With the help command we can know print value, how we can print the value of stream or sys.std OUT. By default we are using this one in C, as we know that Python is basically using the C mode. So optional keyword argument file, all these things, this will tell the details about print function. So this is the one way. And if we want to enter in the help area, right here, just write here HELP help function, hit enter. See, it will tell you all these things. Welcome to Python 3.8 help utility. And if we want to know, if this is your first time using Python, you should definitely check out the tutorial on the internet. This is http docs python. This will tell you enter the name of any module, keyword or topic to get the help on writing Python programs using Python modules. To quit this help utility and return to the interpreter, just type quit. So let's type here keyword, keywords. See, all these keywords it displayed here. And if you want to know the details of the keyword, just type any keywords. Let's suppose if we want to know that, see, from keywords. So just copy from here and paste it here, and see, this provides the text documentation of these from keyword detail. Import from, this is using import from, import statement, basic module, all these documentation you will know from here only. Okay, so whenever you if required anything, let's suppose if you want to let's suppose if as we know that integer data type. So if we type int, then it will tell you the all details in 254 lines. It will tell you all the details of the documentation of the int data types. So you can know in this way any things. Let's suppose if we type modules, modules, modules. See, please wait. Some of the modules are deprecated, and see, these are the all modules are listed here. So there are tons of modules are there. So we can if we want to know any one of the module, so we can know details of the module. Let's suppose we want to know that test module. See, what is test? So just go and paste here test, and see, it will tell you the all details about test module. Help on package, test name, test dummy file, all these things it will tell you about the test module. So in this way we can know how how we can know the documentation about particular function, particular modules, particular keywords. We can know. If we want to quit, then simply write quit quit. We are on the interpreter, and if we want to hear from then exit exit, use exit exit is a function, or ctrl plus z. See, now program is still. Do you want to kill it? Yes. Okay, so this is the way we can use the help commands whenever required. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.